What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Scripted Legend bringing you guys another YouTube video, and this one's on GFAL. So they just released a sneak peek at Diamond Dreams. That's the next game that this token has coming out, and it's all it is basically some jewelry that's showing on the screen right now. And their tweet to go along with it was, "This is the place, or this is the game where jewelry, realistic jewelry, is going to redefine match 3. And soon you'll be crafting these 3D jewels on your phone." So that's the appeal. That's the overarching point of this, or not overarching. Let's not use that big of a term, but let's just say that is the substance that's coming from this tweet right here. Nothing crazy. Now, there is an article to highlight the CEO's vision for GFAL and unveils the potential of GFAL's the GFAL's token. I think we've already talked about that plenty of times. We already know the success that is opportunistic, or that is available for GFAL. While they are down to 0.2868, this is very, very favorable. They are down 30%, but for the whole year, this is actually getting us back in around this point right here. And that's where I want to be. That's where I want to buy some tokens at. Especially because when you look at one of the most underrated indicators as far as a successful token, the holder count, it is continuing to increase. So this isn't a scenario where there's more buys than sells. This is a scenario where there's more, at least, unique buyers and probably the same sellers, but there's more buyers. Add on to that the whole entire crypto market is down 2%. That puts it into perspective that GFAL is going to struggle. Or they're going to struggle. I was going to try to sugarcoat it, but no, they're going to struggle. Their price is going to struggle and take a hit from it. And I'm not scared at all. And I can confirm that the buys are a greater number than the sells, because we see over here on the top traded pair on the decentralized exchange, $600,000 were transacted in this pair, 750 transactions in total, and 457 of those transactions were buys, and 295 of the transactions were sells. So still more buyers than sellers. And then I want to come back to BSC Scan, and I want to go to the analytics, and I want them to tell me if they do have it recorded. Let's see the number of unique buyers, and as we see, the number of unique buyers is pretty high. It's above 500. It was at 500 7 days ago or 5 days ago, and we're at above 500 again, really close to that 600 marker. So we are having, like I stated earlier, unique buyers for GFAL. So I'm excited. I'm happy. And I quite honestly believe these people that are selling right now, those that are adamant on just altcoins that are lower than a market cap of $100 million, to be completely honest with you, or $1 billion, because I just remembered GFAL is over that marker. It's at, no. I was right originally. Yeah, they're below $100 million. So I have nothing I'm fearing. I even played the game, Elemental Raiders, this game right here, and I enjoyed it. Now, I'm not going to come over here and tell you the game was it just blew me out the water with expectations. No. It was a cool, chill game. That's what it was. It was just a cool, chill game that gave users the opportunity to really progress and really grow and really just use their strategic skills. And there's a lot of nuances to the game that there's not too many to where if you're a beginner, you're going to get dominated really early, but it's not too much. I mean, it's not too little to where you can just buy yourself a dub. It's pretty balanced, I believe. And there's those people that play those type of games, and I know those people, and they would thrash me in this game no matter how much money I spend on it. So that's what has me excited. There's the value that you can have. And then here's the thing to add on to it. You also, because some people are like, well, I want in-game purchases. I'm an investor. I want in-game purchases. Well, listen, if you have two really talented people going up against each other, they might want to have the margins swung their way. And how do you get the margins swung your way? You might have to buy some tokens. You might have to buy some elemental crystals. And the elemental crystals are what help your skills increase. You earn elemental crystals from playing the game, or you earn at least another form of currency for playing the game. But then once you buy some elemental crystals, it really allows you to really advance your characters and their strengths a lot faster and a lot sooner. And it leads to them being some powerhouse dogs. So it's a lot of fun. I think in my personal opinion, everybody should give Elemental Raiders a chance and a shot to just play. And then that can really give you a decision if you want to get involved, because this game has held tournaments, and they continue to host tournaments. They continue to have successful. That's what I was really trying to get at. Having successful tournaments, and they plan to have more in the future. They have a lot of events coming later for other games, and this game is also going to be on PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch, or at least it's expected to be launched there in Q4 of 2024, which is, for those who aren't familiar with what Q4 is, October to December. So a lot of exciting things. There's also going to be guilds. There's also going to be a mobile full release, so you can get better at the game before all these things come out. So definitely think about it. Definitely give it that consideration. I appreciate everybody who's here watching these videos. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you know when I upload. We're going to try to get more GFAL content, and we're probably going to get a video of me actually playing the game. But you'll never know if you don't subscribe. See y'all. Bless y'all. Peace.